Every birthday ko po, I try to visit kids who are sick po. And last year, I did visit some in the hospital and I saw how hard it was for them na sometimes they're squeezed into one room pa. So if this can help in any way for them to be comfortable, yun po yung gagawin ko.
Ayan na naman, si Luis. Luis,
Hilo ako.
nahilo ka.
Hilo ako ah.
Bakit?
Once again, nag-English ka na naman. Pero kung nga naka-green ka, medyo may isa akong itatapat sa yung naka-green din. At yung dalawang green, mag-English ang kayong mga dalawa kayo. She was talking about visiting kids in a hospital. She wants to share. And Negi, would you like to elaborate on, you know what AC does?
Yeah, good for you. Para ako nasusuka.
Pero eto, si AC nga ang maglalaro ngayon with I Want and Kapamilya Online Live. Together forever tayo.